Regards to all. Welcome back to our channel. Today I have a super quick tip for you. How to download photos and videos from Google Photos with just one click. Let's preserve those precious memories effortlessly. Let's dive in. Open your Google Photos app on your device and make sure you're signed in. By opening the page, look for your profile picture in the upper right corner of the screen and click on it. In the drop-down menu, also look for the option to manage your Google account and click on it. And then on the new page, under the profile picture, look for the date and privacy option. Click on it. Then, in the drop-down menu, go down to Apps and Services and select the Photos icon. On the new page, you can notice in one of the frames it says Photos. In that frame, you will notice the Download button. Click on it. Then on the new page, just click Continue. And with that, you manage to download all images and videos with just one click. If you found this tip useful, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick tech tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy downloading, tech enthusiasts!